Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some Make Paving Work Easier. You can see it's a little slightly dirty. I just had it outside. So we have some gloves, size 10. And what are these? Oh, more, size 10. We got 2 sets of gloves. Okay, we have these are the suction cups devices. So the way these work is you'll stick it onto the pavers and you're able to pump it up and then you release it like that. So it says Make Paving Work Easier. So let's see, let's take these off. And so it'll stick onto the stuff and then it sucks out the air and holds it on. Let me just put it onto something. There we go, we'll pave my oven. So you put it on and then you pump it up. Oh, am I on here? I don't know if it's making a seal. There we go, and now you see it's holding it on there, and right now we are at, it has a little pressure meter, I don't even know what it's at, doesn't really say too much, but you can just pump it up there however strong you want it to be, and then when you're done, when you want to take it off, push that there, and the air comes out. So if you're wanting to pick stuff up or whatever like that, this will make a nice, good seal. If you want to climb a building or something like that, I guess you could use these for that as well. So you ever see those people climbing the buildings with these things? And they pump it up and then let it go and whatever, but I don't think I would do that. Probably advise against that. But it comes with, so it's got the little pressure meter on it. So you saw as it was going, the pressure shows you how much pressure you have. So you know before you go and try to lift yourself or lift something up that you have enough pressure to hold it. And then it's got these covers over it that you'll want to keep on when you're not using it, just to keep it nice and clean so it won't, so you'll always get a good seal. So that's it. Comes with a couple of extra little rubber gasket pieces and some little clip things, I guess, if you need to break free from it at some point. So pretty cool, a little set here. And you could use these, I mean, we're doing some tiling in the house. We could use this to lift the tiles or anything like that too, to get them into place. So these are nice and handy. So let's see if there's anything I'm missing here in the instructions before we end this one here. So here it is here. Tile surface with water, oil, or glue. Clean the tile surface, make sure it's dry, clean the surface. That I was showing you how to clean it. So pretty easy to do. So if you're going to do some tile work or something like that, we're doing tile work. I don't know if you can see, we don't have the grout yet in even these areas here, but these guys were using, the guys that were doing my work were using these, and they had them here and they would pump them up however they do it. And then they could lift up the tiles. I'm not gonna be able to lift it because it's sported down, but you get the idea. So super cool, super nice devices to have, make it nice and easy to do any type of work like that. So totally thumbs up.